Hi everyone, welcome to the series of Snaplogic videos. So in the last video we have seen the Hello World program written using the no-code platform, right? A simple pipeline. So today I'm going to show you how to generate an HTML content, okay, using the same Snaplogic platform. Okay, so it's just going to be another simple program which you will see how to do it. So let's basically start with the mapper here. Okay. It's also on Hello World. I'll just go ahead, and the first thing that I want was I need to actually have the binary header, which is content type, which will be text slash HTML, then the status code, which will be 200, and the actual content. Okay, these are the three key things that we really need when we try to return an HTML content. Okay, so we'll start with the content. So I'm just going to have content, then I'm going to have content type, then we are going to have status. As I'm using everything is hard coded, I don't need an expression here. So all this would be hard coded. So the first thing that we will do was the content. Okay, so we'll just generate the HTML content. So we'll just say HTML. Then I'll just put a header and I will do hello world plus the HTML. And now the content is ready. Okay, and the type would be text slash HTML and the status is 200. Okay. Now my mapper is ready. So this output of mapper, I need to translate it to the actual content. Otherwise, it will become a JSON document. As I mentioned in the last session, every snap actually like outputs a JSON document, right? So you can see here, this would be the JSON document. Okay. So I don't need a JSON document. I really need an HTML content. So how I'm going to do it? So one of the great snaps that we can use was CSV formatter. Let's use CSV formatter. Bring it here. The idea is because I really don't want JSON content. I really need a plain HTML content, right? So CSV formatter will help me to achieve that. So let's click CSV formatter. So key thing note was this binary header properties. This is return as the actual header for the HTML, okay, along with the binary content. Okay. The first thing I need was the status code. So I'm just going to consume the status from here and putting that in the status. That's the output variable. Okay, then I really need the content type. Grab the content type and put the content type here. Okay, now the content type is ready. Now we need the content. Okay, one problem with the CSV formatter is it is going to generate quoted strings. Okay, it will be CSV delimited quoted strings because you see delimiter and it is quote character. The first thing we do was I don't need quoted string, so I'm just going to make quote as none. Second thing is I don't need headers. Okay, I really don't need the header name followed by the rows. Okay, so what we will do was we will use this use header and write this header because as I need only content, so I'm just going to use content from the mapper. Okay, only this one I need. I don't need any other stuff. So for that I need to truncate. Okay, so let's trim record to fit header because I'm saying I just need the content. Okay, nothing else, and I don't need to write the header. So that's all we do here and we save. Okay, so once this is done, actually, like you would see the output plain vanilla CSV output. Okay, so that's what it will generate. While the validation is going on, sometimes it takes time because this is a development environment. We will just go and use the Postman because already this pipeline is saved, so we can directly use Postman. Because I have the Postman here, and this is the task that we generated in the last series also, a simple hello world task. Now this is going to generate the HTML content. Okay, so let's do a send. So this is basically going and communicating, and you can see the HTML content is coming here. And if I do a preview, I get hello world. Okay, simple, right? And we can actually add parameters. Okay, so we can make this content dynamic. Okay, and we can actually remove the authorization as well so that this can be executed directly from the browser URL. And all this we will see in the follow-on series of videos where I will show how to do this. Okay, thank you.